how to sign out of Google Maps. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily sign out from your Google Maps account. So first thing what you want to do is simply head over to your maps, and once you're inside your maps, what you can do is you will be seeing your profile at the top right corner. So you can just switch your Gmail as well. So simply click on your profile icon at the top, and you can see the settings option there at the bottom. Simply click on it. So once you click on settings, scroll all the way down until you see the sign out of Google Maps option. So once you click on it, just like this, you will be successfully signed out or logged out from your account. As you can see, there is no any account logged in right now in my maps. So to log into back to your account, simply click on that profile icon and just select any one of your Google Gmails, and just like that simply select one of them and you will be logged in back just like that. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.